on giving exams. So whenever we want to, give an exam, we want to ensure that we have practiced enough. So Wiley has more number of questions, more number of, the scope is quite large, and the very fact that it has over 200 years of legacy in the same field, in the field of education and research, makes it a natural choice for us. One point which I wanted to highlight is that this forum is very much open. Please raise your questions. You can comment on the chat box. We will be simultaneously answering your doubts as well. And if you have any questions if you want to stop me, please stop me. Right? I'll be happy to answer your question. Going to USCPA now, a little bit about USCPA. It is one of the oldest accounting body in the world. It was founded in 1887, and it has a presence of over 130 in over 130 countries. CPA, from an Indian perspective, has gained importance, as we know that the CPA exams are being conducted in India now, right? So I and Ranjit, we have gone to Dubai, which actually increased a lot of expenditure while we were doing our CPA. But I think you guys are lucky if you are starting. Uh, it doesn't take more than 100 rupee of fuel now to reach to Gurgaon or nearby center wherever you are in India. We have 8 centers in India now. So we pursued it alongside our full-time job. It is divided into 4 sections: financial accounting, reporting, auditing, BEC, and regulations, which is nothing but tax. Yes, the very important part is that it is the highest accounting qualification in US. So it is as good as a CA in India from the qualification standpoint. A snapshot on opportunity will be like, any CPA, any US CPA is a hotcake for any of the big four. It has international credibility. It is an international course. When I say that it has members in over 130 countries, it makes it indispensable. It makes it, it actually opens a lot of other career options. Not only just getting into a job, you may want to open your own CPA firm, because the fact is that you are the one, if you become a CPA, then you will be the one who will be stamping the financials of a company, right? So that's how it becomes indispensable. You are never short of work. You are never short of any job. If you have the license, you can open up your own, irrespective of the market conditions, job situation, and anything. And yes, once you are qualified, you definitely earn more than a non-qualified CPA professional. A snapshot on eligibility, I think from Indian context, it is very important. We need at least graduation here. And there are over 55, I think there are 55 rather state boards in US, and we are eligible to do a CPA from any of them. However, there are some terms and conditions which will come on later. It is not that straightforward either that you can just go ahead and do CPA from any of the state boards. Minimum credit requirements is of 120 credits and around 150 credits for license. And if you are not, you're falling short of 120 or 150, don't worry. We are here to help you out. There are ways through which we can build your profile and we can help you make those 90 credits increase to 120, or fill that gap, right? These are some of the recruiters which are like recruiting CPAs. You will find a US CPA in all these recruiters job descriptions quite easily. I'll take you through the exam content now, right? It is very important because whenever we are thinking of a course, we are thinking of how it will add value in my knowledge. And these are the 4 segments of US CPA. through which we can enhance our understanding on a variety of concepts, right? So as I said, it is divided into four segments: BEC, business environment and concepts. Here we are actually exposed to corporate governance, economic concepts and analysis, financial management, which we have already done and in our graduation, information technology. We have done some part of it, but how to integrate it with internal controls and business related and commerce related concept is what we will be taught here. Operations management, if you're part of a manufacturing firm, right, that it is something which we come across on a daily basis. So if you are a professional, I'm sure that one of, or maybe a lot of concepts is something which we are going through on a daily basis, which makes me believe that, you know, CPA is actually going to add value because it is actually solving the real life problems which we face in the professional arena, right? Coming to audit and attestation, I think this is one of the subjects where I personally have learned a lot. Okay, so to help you out, so when I say corporate governance and then you see a percentage here, this percentage is nothing but the amount of content which is covered in the examination. So it is there with in front of all the concepts here. Coming back to audit and attestation very quickly, we study the ethics, professional responsibilities, and general principles here. We, you know, how practically we apply the auditing concept in a corporation is what is basically taught in audit and attestation, and this is how it is tested. So emphasis is again more on the practical application than only on the theoretical aspect, right? So assessing risk and developing a planned response is something which you will learn in audit. You will understand, and this actually becomes like a story, and then you start enjoying it. Really very, very engrossing and very good topic to study. Performing further procedures, obtaining evidence, forming conclusions, and reporting is one of the content here. Coming to financial accounting and reporting, we start with conceptual framework. We start with standard setting and financial reporting. There are selected financial statement accounts. I mean, we go right from statement to statement, from say P&L to comprehensive statement, comprehensive income statement to balance sheet. And when I say balance sheet, to each and every component of balance sheet, be it assets or liabilities, and definitely the component of P&L also. So right from, you know, gross margin till the time you get to your net income, and what is the importance of comprehensive income there is also being taught there. So one of the exams which I appeared in December last year itself. And then we also read about state and local government accounting here. So, you know, quite a wide array here. You are not only learning financial accounting and reporting from an accountant or bookkeeping standpoint, you know, that all the perspective come into play, be it creditors, be it credit rating agencies, be it your vendors, or be it external agencies like SEC, Peekaboo, auditors, and all that. In regulation, I would rather call it taxation. This is going to be one exams which we have to study only for US CPA mostly, unless we are actually planning to, you know, outsource some of the work in India, or we are going to become a practitioner. So what we go through regulation is ethics, professional responsibilities, and federal tax procedures, federal taxation of property transaction, federal taxation of individuals, and all the C corps, S corps, partnerships, all the entities. One of the very important chapters in taxation is also of contract law, the business law, which we have already studied in our graduation and in MBA as well. So, you know, while you find that, you know, some of the aspects is something which you have already covered, A lot is new and interesting. One thing is for guaranteed, that everything is application based. So, that's how it becomes very important. And that's why India has become the second largest market of US CPA, because here we all have realized the importance of it, as we are facing, real life professional issues in our offices. And, that's why it gains its importance from there. So according to AICPA, they give us 18 months to clear all these exams. However, in Credence, our target is to prepare you in 12 months. We don't want to, stretch it longer. I would say with a tolerance of 2 months, like between 10 to 14 months, we aim that your CPA is completed. And so if it is May, you enroll with us in May, then maybe next May you will be a CPA. You will be looking for your license, as I am looking right now. We have 75 marks as the passing score for each of these exams. CPA exams global pass rate is greater than 50. I'll come back on this. 16-hour exam, I'll come back in the next slide. And there are 4 testing windows again. So 4 testing windows, and with every testing window, on a daily basis, we can give an exam in 3 shifts. So we may want to multiply 285 into 3, because there are 3 shifts. So around 700 shifts we have, or 700 options we have in a year if you want to appear for US CPA. So it becomes very, very flexible there. And whenever you are ready, you just go give the exam, get done with it. If you have prepared, I think Ranjit did it. He prepared at a stretch for 3 exams. He went to Dubai, he gave all the 3 exams. Very next month, he became a CPA. 1 exam he had given earlier. So you can do it the way you want, right? Exam location, India, Dubai, USA. So as I said that I went to Dubai, Ranjit went to Dubai while we were giving exam. A lot of us used to go to US also. However, because of this COVID, I think one positive thing which has happened, at least for CPA, is that they have opened a lot of testing centers in India. One of them is coming in Nepal also very soon. So we have better choices than going to Dubai and US, as these are cheaper as well. So we have 8 testing centers in India now at present. Please ask if you have any questions. I mean, anything, if you think that, okay, maybe it could be a question on basics also, right? Let us make it more engaging, more interactive. So I'll pause for say 1 minute and then I'll move to the next slide. Ranjit, anything you want to add there?
No, Chetan, that's fine. So I think 18 months window, yes, that is given by AICPA, but definitely, yes, we are targeting people to complete it within 12 months. So I think that's a very good point here. And definitely the another positive point is, we do have better options. So, as you mentioned, you, me, and many people, they went to Dubai for, for exam, and, there are a lot of, travel cost they spend, and a lot of hassle, right? Going to Dubai and, giving or appearing exams. But now it's in India and nearby as well. So for Delhi people, it's in New Delhi. For Mumbai people, it's in Mumbai, right? So there are 8 locations. So this is very good advantage for Indian people to join CPA right now and clear it, till though this will become a permanent, but clear the exam till we have this option with us.
Absolutely.